What's up, indies? In this video, we're going to talk about something that is absolutely crucial to your success in the music industry and particularly success with music media, and that is the hook. So for those of you who don't know me, my name's Emily Holler and I am passionate about helping independent musicians grow their careers by building and monetizing an audience. So let's talk about the hook. If you don't know what that is, it is your angle, your point of difference, and the thing that is unique to you as an artist. So in marketing terms, we would call this the unique selling point or the USP. It's like the talking point that gives your story dimension and interest. It makes people want to talk about you. It makes people interested in your career. When you pitch to a media publication to get coverage for your latest single or your album, the fact that you're releasing new music or even going on a tour is not necessarily enough for them to take interest, because artists are doing that all the time. So the media will generally need something that's a bit more meaty to grab onto, something interesting to write about. Like, there should be a hook in your bio, and there should also be a hook in any media release that you send out. You've got to have a hook. Having a great hook will make it so much easier to gain attention from media and music industry in general. People love having something to talk about. Writers need something to write about. This will help tell your story, and that is absolutely crucial for getting your music out there. The music industry and music media is highly competitive. If you've got two artists right next to each other and they're both equally talented, but one of them has a really cool story, something really interesting to talk about, and the other one doesn't, you know who's going to get the story? It's going to be the one with the hook every single time. So what's an example of a great hook? There are so many examples. For instance, maybe you've overcome some kind of major hurdle or challenge in order to be the person or the musician that you are today. Maybe you have an incredible story about your ancestry. Maybe you're fusing together genres in a way that no one's really done before. Maybe you're using technology in a really cool way that's really unique and different. Perhaps you stand for a cause that's really, really important to you. Maybe you have a really unique and interesting slasher job. Your hook has to be unique to you, and it has to be authentic. Think about it like a song. A song that has a catchy hook is most likely to be successful on radio, and it's going to resonate the hardest with an audience. This is not dissimilar. If you are a journalist and you are receiving an enormous amount of media releases every week, well, the one that stands out is the one that has the most moving and memorable story attached to it. It just makes sense. It's logical. By telling a good story, you're making it much easier for the media to choose your story over someone else's. You're doing yourself a favor and you're doing them a favor, which is a win-win. And everyone loves a win-win. I love a win-win. Who doesn't love a win-win? The coolest thing is that you could be like Captain Hook, like a pirate. Arr. Just kidding. So that, my friends, is the hook. Have you found your hook? I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. If you've got something really unique or interesting about your career, or about a song that you've written, about a release that you've got coming up, tell me all about it. What's your hook? I hope you enjoyed this video and got some benefit from it. If you did, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel and share it with your other indie artist friends. That would be hugely helpful to me. Thanks so much for watching. Here's to your success.